everyone knows is biting my style, biting my image, biting my persona.
Do you think it's biting, or do you think it's because as you said, influence?
Yeah.
You influence everybody who we see tattoo themselves up on a place. I don't think they're biting your style. I think they're influenced.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan. You know what I mean? I'm just not a fan.
Case was dropped. You are telling us that your daughter made a false allegation against you. What happened to this young lady? Her character is scarred. Them have her a dragger out there. Men are going to be afraid of this young girl because, oh, we hear say you tell lie on your stepfather. The amount of things that this little girl is going to go through. When you feel like it stop?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll discuss Vybz Kartel finally addressing the reason why Alkaline will never see eye to eye. Also, his TikToker addressed CMR and the whole molestation situation. So we have a lot to get into. So if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. So forever ago, I don't know how long ago, this conversation has been around that Alkaline has been copying Vybz Kartel, tattoo, style, slang, flow, everything. That's what they said, not me. Please, don't know my head. Right? And, he has denied it, and other people have made comparisons in so many videos on the internet. You can go look for yourself. And, well, Vybz Kartel is finally addressing those, I don't want to say rumors, but those statements. And this is what he had to say about Alkaline. Check this out.
What's the issue, out if there is an issue, so you could tell me? Because I do like his music too.
Yes.
And when you got incarcerated, and even though he was giving us music,
yes,
I like his music too, because he was giving us some music that it made me reminded of you.
I know.
An artist named Alkaline.
I know. You said remind me, of course, obviously it's him. So I know.
Is there an issue there between, because I could never tell.
No,
between
no
his
issue.
communication and your communication, and at one point they might tell me so when I make songs after each other.
I've never seen that kid before. I mean, and one of the reasons you just said it too, and that's a good point. The generation that he came up in, they embrace him as their cartel.
Yeah.
So that's why you got a lot of props from them as well. It's not just because he does good songs. They just wanted their own cartel, and they got one.
But you embrace everybody. You embrace Poppy and everybody else.
Yeah.
Why does it seem like, obviously maybe don't come from the Gaza branch, right?
Yeah.
The Gaza tree necessarily, as in you had the direct hand on it.
Yeah.
But the style and the whole feel kind of makes people feel like what you gave. Why isn't there, that maybe that relationship there? Why do you think?
I mean, I've never given it much thought. To be honest, I've never given it much thought. I mean, I'm not a fan. You know what I mean? I'm just not a fan. But he's cool. He's alright, I guess. But I'm not a fan of that.
So nowhere we seen him on Freedom Street.
What time does hell freeze over?
I don't think you holding up grudges like that, because again, you never.
No, I don't. I just don't know the guy.
You just didn't want to pay some homage, right?
No.
Like when him just come out and he was acting like he don't really know you, like he never.
Which you and I know that's impossible.
Okay, and we get that.
Exactly.
But if times change, people change. And if you said, listen, yo, that was my way of establishing myself.
Yes.
But of course I respect you. Is there a possibility that relationship, could even be
No, because remember now, I don't need props from anyone except my fans.
Yeah.
Because they're the ones streaming the music. They're the ones, paying their hard-earned money to come to my show. So I don't know. And people always say that. I don't know why. But why would I need props from someone that everyone knows is biting my style, biting my image, biting my persona?
Do you think it's biting, or do you think it's because as you said, influence?
Yeah.
You influence everybody who may see tattoo themselves up on a bleach. I don't think they're biting your style. I think they're influence.
Yeah, I mean, there are pictures of them, all those kids before they became famous, throwing up the Gaza sign. Come on. Remember, that entire generation was raised on cartel music.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Think about it. Because if you're like if you're 17, 18 years old, yeah, you got a piece of cartel. But if you're in your 30s, I raised you.
The truth.
You know what I mean?
You're right.
Of
You're
course.
right.
I've been out since 2002 giving you hits.
Every week.
Every week. So come on. So yeah, I mean, imitation is a form of flattery, but I mean, I'm not flattered. You know what I mean? So
Hey, all right. So you
Hey, Kartel, no easy, you know. Academics ask him, say, if you think the relationship gonna ever be, well, if there will ever be like a friendship or relationship. Kartel say, what time does hell freeze over? But they know when time he asks Kartel, say, yo, you ever have a problem with him? He said no, and kinda know him. You do have a problem with him, just say what I say. Ah, boy. I don't know. Don't tell me one thing in the comment section. I don't think them two are going to ever be cool. Because one I say they don't know the other. One I say, you don't have no problem. And the next one, now acknowledge say in taking in stand for the next one. I think I just want the thanks. Just like going big up Bounty and big up Buju for inspiration. I just that him up, but he now admit him a Capricorn. You know, ego. But you guys can tell me what you think about that in the comment section. So the other day, I dropped a video, and other people dropped videos too, talking about the same situation, that his charges were dropped. And if you've been living under a rock, he was arrested for molestation of a minor, you know, looting or whatever the term is. And people on the internet have been saying they don't think he's innocent, and then they're saying that they didn't find any evidence. People are also saying that the statement was retracted. I don't know, I never did it. But the first red flag for me was on the statement that was made, the police statement that was posted on the website. The child told an adult at school, why the pitney never feel comfortable if you tell the mother. At that first red flag, you know, if the pitney not comfortable to tell the mother, that means that she don't feel safe. She don't feel safe at home. Seeing? And I go watch, I could watch one clipping before I could watch a full video of the TikToker where I have something to say. In the interview that he did with the Flicks, they asked him a question, say, how is the relationship between you and your daughter? And just check out his body language, in flinch and the way he move. You can't tell me say everything peaches and cream. If a child tell a lie like that for me not hide and talk, I not go good again, it not go be the same. Because remember, you know, not only did you destroy my character, you make animosity within the family and the external family and the internet that tear me down. It not gonna be same. I tell her there's gonna be some resentment even if me forgive the child. So you can't tell me say everything good. Lie at the tell, but me not expect him to carry down on the internet, but you make it look like he peaches and cream, and then now when time they ask him about Chrissy, your response is you have to ask Chrissy when you see her, when you see her. What you mean? If you don't live together and you're married, you must know your partner's point of view on whatever the topic is, because you must have the discussion. The discussion have had to be had. So you must talk for she know what is her thoughts on a certain topic. What you mean by when you see Chrissy, you ask her. That's one time me ex or my mother or my baby father if we left and then somebody asked me one question and me no want chat about the person. Me say when you see me ask him, you understand me? That's when you and somebody not talk, and then now on the same live when me go show you, it is being said that the same Chrissy post in a one chat say CMR tell lie. Now, none of this, I don't have any truth to it. I'm just telling you what was said on the live. So check out the video when they ask him now what is the relationship between him and his daughter, and check out in body language and tell me what you think.
How's your relationship with your daughter?
Great.
great. All of my kids, them, and me grow them. And,
No, I mean, that's your because the child that made the accusation against you. How is the relationship?
During their investigation, I had no contact.
Right, I had
so yeah, and I had to even when it kills me the most, you know, all I had to do was just pray. I pray to God and say, just lead it how you want it to be. But you know, so as a father, I have to be in my girl's life because I have to prepare queens for the future. And I strongly believe in parenting, not just one side but both sides. Because while mommy nurture, daddy gotta, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
So I feel as if there are certain time in a child's life or even a little, you know, your daughter's life, there are gonna be times when it's trying where you have to be the parent.
Yeah.
And no matter what happens, whether it is good or bad, you have to be there. And that's not what no one is gonna take that from me. I don't care who it is, but I'm always be a parent.
Yeah.
You know?
He completely dodged the question. Completely dodged the question. You start talk about your parenting skills and you start talk about you never did it. It was no contact. So now that you were on the back in the house, everything good? You not tell you what going. Even when time they ask him about him and Chrissy and Ray and you feel the far with the two people in them. No, that's not what we're asking you. I mean, another the people them did ask you. Then he finally said, yeah, me not left her because I love her. And that if you say first, you say you're not left because you don't want to live with two people them with her. No, it's not a... Is that you love your wife or you're still together or what? Because you can still be married and not together. But anyway, check out this live. This is what this TikToker had to say. And he made some valid points.
Same way like how you could have asked Vybz Kartel about Shorty situation. You should have make him answer the tough questions then we all of us want to know. When them ask you, was this an allegation? Not me. You know what? Based on the fact that certain things they will try to use as many, I will answer you off the year. We want to know what go on. Why you are trying to say, if the case was dropped, you are telling us that your daughter made a false allegation against you. What happened to this young lady? Her character is scarred. Them have her a dragger out there. Men are going to be afraid of this young girl because, we hear say you tell lie on your stepfather. The amount of things that this little girl is going to go through, when you feel like it stop? Enough of them are big woman now. And they even free to talk about what Uno when do them when they were little. Go away now, dirty boy and dirty girl. You know, don't bother with me this morning, you know. The next thing is, let me tell you now, certain things in the people. You know the next thing? Why do I interview? See me next thing, you know. Why did you go to the interview by yourself and not bring your wife? So when questions are asked, you go say, you have to ask my wife that when you see her. So simply means it's a two-part interview. The one come out and then them away to interview Chrissy now. Why you never bring your wife at the interview? Why your wife never come at the interview and them sit down and interview the two of you? Why every time they ask that question, you have to ask my wife that? Why go on an interview and left your wife? And then when questions are put to you, you say, when you see my wife, you don't have to ask her that. Huh? You should be confident. I'm responding on behalf of your other half. Because if me married and you ask me something about my wife, me suppose I can answer you. Eh? Don't tell no lie, no. Now come over here to come tell me no lie, no Chrome doll. Me block you, no. His wife don't end nothing with him because Chrissy posted in a group last night saying he's lying. No, Chrome doll, me no want to know if No, see then on me I say to them, I don't know this person, I don't follow her, she follow me, simple means, alright, she said Chrissy posting or something. It's not really a true wife not in. Jesus Christ, me see the message just come in. Me tell you no. You see that girl here, we pin this. You see a girl her name? You see when this a girl come up here and say nothing, me not have to look on it. So she just sent me some information and then she said, look on it. Say, one of my friend where work in this kind of environment. One of my friend where is very knowledgeable of this kind of situation. One of my friend will do this at work here. Don't tell me nothing about you never get charged feed, boy. Move your stink self. Okay, Chrome Dolly said there's a group on Instagram with 13K people. And Chrissy posts in the group say, lie, Mattel.
Tell me, do you think he's innocent? Do you think the child was forced to retract her statement? Do you think that the child was lying? Do you think that eventually the child will talk what really goes on? But you got some more to think in the comment section. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.